Hello everyone, welcome to the midweek market update. Today, 3rd September, Nifty ends today at 24,715 and Bank Nifty at 54,067. See, in our previous video, we clearly expected that the price can bounce from certain levels, and exactly the price bounced so far. And we even expected after a bounce, the price may make one more low to end the correction. Okay, this is the chart we discussed. This is Bank Nifty. And you can see on 29th August, the price to first bounce, and the price bounced, and we expected one more low, right? Bounce and one more low to around 53,475. This is the expected level, and Bank Nifty exactly the price moved so far. But if you watch the Nifty, in Nifty also we expected a first bounce, okay? The price bounce, but the bounce is little higher, more than the expected, and the since because of the bounce is much more expected, the next decline not made the new low. Okay, see, the price moved exactly as per our direction, like bounce and decline, but since the bounce is much higher than the expected level, the decline not came below the previous low. So what we can do now, see, Bank Nifty exactly moving as per our expectation, but Nifty not made a new low. That is our primary view. So I'm still like 50-50. Okay, so still 50% probability that Nifty can make one more low, and if the price comes to 24,300 or even to 24,150, 170, then we can assume that we can think about the end of the correction. But currently, yes, there is a possibility. Since Bank Nifty reaches the expected support zone, minimum support zone, we can think about the end of the correction. But while seeing the Nifty, there are 50-50 chances for one more low also. So this is the assumption behind the next levels. So what we can expect next for coming days is like, if the price moves higher, we can expect the resistance between 24,775, okay, 24,775 to 24,860. So between these zones, the price can face resistance, and there are chances that the price can come lower if it is wave Y, okay, WXY. In this case, the price can come to minimum 24,300. This is the expected level, and even to 24,170. Okay, this is the expectation now because of not making a one more low, right? So let us see how the price moves here. Okay, it can be A, B, C also. And if you check the Bank Nifty, yes, there are chances for end of the correction also. So this is where we are getting differences between the indices. So we need to a little wait for certain confirmation and a little bit patience to confirm the end of the correction or not. Again, as like Nifty, Bank Nifty also we can expect a resistance if the price crosses this previous high of 54,150. Okay, this itself resistance, but if the price crosses 54,150, we can expect price to reach between this gap zone of 54,350 and like this very small portion of, okay, 54,350 to 54,400. This can be the important resistance, and if the price crosses this zone in a speed manner, then we can expect the next level. But if the price reaches these levels 54,900, then we need to think about the option of end of the correction here or another complex pattern. So for the next 2 days, the immediate resistance is between 54,350 to 54,400, and if this works, we can expect one more low to our anticipated level of 54,475. And even worst case, we can expect 52,650, but as of now, we can expect 53,475, right? So this is the resistance in Bank Nifty, and Nifty, this is the resistance. Okay, so if this decline is like this, like 24,850 to 24,150, then this Bank Nifty even can come below these levels. Okay, now we are in decision making zone, and this is the option for completing the correction. But if the price moves above all these resistance in speed manner, and how we can alter the count, This is right. Okay, there is no issue in the Bank Nifty because we have the option of completing the correction in Bank Nifty. In this case, there is no WXY because we already having a WXY here. So this is the end of the correction, and all can be like this: 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we are expecting this end of correction here or here. We are at mostly final stage. We already completed the correction here or one more final leg down. This is what I'm expecting, and for that we need to analyze this resistance. When we can confirm the end of the correction, the price crossing this X point, right? So this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So based on these resistance, Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can decide whether we already completed the correction or one leg down is pending. And crude oil, see exactly the price reverses and moves higher, and even this support also we identified. And if you notice, I have shared a recent post that we can expect 66 to 67. Okay, this level we discussed in previous videos, but if you watch my previous X post, I said from 66 to 67 can be seen, and the price facing rejection at 66. And if the price comes below this point, like this trend line, okay, currently at support, and if the price breaks below this trend line, we can expect the price to reach between 63.3 to 62.9, approximately this zone. See, a couple of weeks before, I have shared the options, what we can do here in crude oil, corrective pattern or new impulse, everything. So based on this, we can analyze the next levels. So the immediate levels are, if that trend line breaks, then we can expect 63 to 62.9. And if the price comes below 61.7, then we can expect even 60. Okay, so probably it can take support and move higher. And this is the anticipation in crude oil. And natural gas, see, no different, exactly the price moving higher. And even in this natural gas, we identified right from this point from 4 to 3, and from 3 we expected 2.77. So everything works well, even this pattern. And this pattern suggests that the price needs to come to this previous high of 3.18, and so far the price reached 3.13. It's very close, right? So already reaches our expected zone, and it can even resistance. Okay, this also possible. So this zone is resistance. This previous high of 3.13 to 3.18 is resistance, and if the price breaks above this zone, the price can even move higher to 3.65, even above the previous high of 4. Okay, we explained in previous video, this point is end of a big correction, or the price can move a significant bounce. Okay, that is what we are making now. So this zone is the next reaction point. Gold, see, in previous video we discussed that crossing this point, right, each and every level we discussed, 3450 we can expect 3500, and if the price crosses about 3500 we can expect 3600 to 650, and the price is approaching those levels. Maybe a mild pause may come, mild pause or a pullback to retest, and the price may start moving higher. So this is the expectation in gold. And in silver, see, there are a lot of lines here. I will explain each line. See, this is the chart we discussed a couple of weeks before on 22nd August. This is the option. If it is wave B, if the price crosses this previous high of 39.54, then the price can reach between 40 to 41, both B or 3. Okay, hope you remember. This is the resistance. If the price crosses this point, either B or 3. Okay, in both the cases, the price can reach 40 to 41. Okay, I remove this line, and you can see 40 to 41, and exactly price staying there. See, we are marking certain lines based on Fibs and waves. Most of the times, see, over 90% of times, there will be a price reaction at that point. Okay, see, the fast price action is stalling there. Okay, so now what we can understand now, the price is reached the important zone of 3 or B. We need to take a decision now whether it is 3 or B now. In both the situations, the price can reach 40 to 41. The price has been reached the segment, but it is 3 or B. So how to confirm that? I explained this same thing. C or 3 is the option we had. In both the options, price can reach these levels, and it has been done now. And a pause in up move may come. I shared this couple of days back, and if you look at the hourly chart, the price is pausing there, okay, and crossing above 41.70 will invalidate the option of wave C, okay. I mean, if the price crosses above 41.7, we had an option like this, right? A, B, and C. This option will be negated if the price crosses above 41.70. Okay, now I remove these 40 to 41 zone also. Now price currently at the resistance only. Mostly the price can pause here. Okay, and if the price crosses above 41.7, then this B option is negated. Okay, in that case, the price can move even to 43.25. How? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here also this 41.7 will be a reaction zone. Okay, the price will react there or face resistance. Remember, crossing above 41.7, we can negate the option B. Okay, until that we can have this option, and the price crosses that zone, we can move like this, right? So this is the assumption now, and still gold also much potential there. So we can expect silver to move like this. Okay. So you pause, and one more up move may happen in the gold and silver. And Bitcoin, see, no view change. I said that this is the place we need to get the bounce, and the price is bouncing. $4,000 has been bounced. So same view, no view change as of now. Okay, this is the minimum expectation in the Bitcoin. And Ethereum also. See, Ethereum is slightly tricky now. This wave 5 can end here or even end here, explained previously. So this patterns look like a some kind of bullish pattern. Okay, some may draw like a wedge. See, remember, if the price does not cross above this previous high, and our expectation is still a decline is expected, so no view changed. Even if the price gets bounced, it may face resistance and come lower. So in this case, if the price after a bounce coming below this point will make the price fast decline. Okay, so only moving above this previous high, sorry, this one, only moving above this previous high can invalidate this pattern. Okay, so this is the expectation in cryptos also. Okay, one bounce and decline, right, in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is the update for this midweek market analysis. If you wish to learn this Elliottwave theory, you can register my course. So my course is 100% practical, not just sharing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or ABC. I primarily concentrate on corrective patterns. And even if you remember this Nifty bank, this is complex and we expected exactly, and even a small bounce and decline also we expected. Okay, that is the potential of Elliottwaves. If you learn it proper way, you can identify the market turnings precisely. See, Elliottwave is more than the strategy, it is understanding the market itself. That's why I'm calling it as the market language, right? So if you want to learn the purest form of Elliottwave, you can register my course. And if you are new to the stock market and if you wish to start the technical analysis, you can register my Master the Markets through technical analysis. I give all details in the description. And the most important thing, all these levels and opinions shared in this video are only for our learning purpose, okay? Mainly learning Elliottwave theory and how it is working in the real time. So don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. So thank you. Trade safe. We'll meet you in the weekend market update. Take care.